morning, one and all. Today we are going to study chapter 16 Means of Transport. What is means of transport? We use different means of transport in our daily lives depending on the distance we need to travel and amount of time and money we have. For example, if we need to go to a nearby place within the city, we travel by a car, scooter, auto rickshaw or bus. If we need to travel to another city, we take a train. And if we need to reach another country, we take a aeroplane. This is what is called means of transport. The means of transport in India are as follows: roadways, air, railways, waterways, and finally airways. Firstly, roadways. Roads are an important means of land transport. They are needed to carry people and goods over a short or long distances. They connect states, cities, town, village and ports. They are very important for us as they carry food grains, fruit, vegetables and many other items for our daily use to different parts of our country. Nextly, highways. We have roads connecting towns and cities and these are known as highways. National highways connect big cities, towns, ports and state capital. They are built and maintained by the central government. Different states also have highways. These are called state highways. Then types of road. Mainly India is having two types of road, that is kacha roads and pakka roads. Metal roads are made up of stone, cement and tar. They are also known as pakka roads. They can be used as in any weather and are therefore all weather roads. Unmetal roads are known as kacha roads. Such roads are often found in villages. They cannot be used during rains and fair weather roads. Roads are of great help in emergencies such as flood, famine and earthquake. People and goods can be transported quickly over the roads. Nextly, railways. India has a large network of railways that connect almost all towns and cities of our country. They carry a large number of people and goods across the country quicker and cheaper than the roads. They are therefore called lifeline of our country. Railways are introduced in 1853 by the British. Rajdhani Express and the Shatabdi Express can travel over 140 km per hour. Another means of transport is waterways. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport. However, it is the slower compared to other means of transport. Ships are used to carry people and goods in very large quantities from one place to another. The ships are also used for fishing as well as crossing the rivers. The types of waterways are inland waterways, coastal waterways, and seaports. Inland waterways. Rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, and their tributaries are used for transportation by boats. Canals and lagoons also constitute inland waterways. Coastal waterways. Different ports in the country are connected and these waterways are used to carry heavy or bulky items at a cheap cost like coal, iron ore, etc. Then seaports. There are many types of ships that play on these waterways. Passenger ships carry people, tankers carry petroleum and oil, and cargo ships transport goods. Mumbai is the oldest and most important seaport in our country. Finally, airways. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are used to carry light and valuable goods. It is mostly used for covering long distances. However, air travel is quite expensive. Air India is official airline run in India. SpiceJet, Jet Airways, Sahara Indigo, Vistara, etc. are the airlines operated by the private companies. Points which we should keep in our mind in this chapter means of transport are as follows. The use of means of transport depends on the distance, time and money. Our country has a well developed network of roadways, railways, waterways and airways. India has among the largest network of roads in world consisting of metalled and unmetalled roads and highways. Railways connect almost all towns and cities of our country. Airways are the fastest means of travel but quite expensive. Water transport is the cheapest but slowest means of transport.